run, and you'll live. At least a while. And dying in your beds many years from now, would you be willing to trade all the days from this day to that for one chance, just one chance, to come back here and tell our enemies?
About everything that you are and everything that this creation is. It is an electromagnetic universe. The forces that they say of attraction between bodies, that's an electromagnetic universe that we're living in. This is the center of that universe. You are on the top of that pyramid, and you should be allowed to shine your light bright. Don't be a slave in this system. Allow your divine feminine and your divine masculine to reach their full potential.
Systems of communication and systems of control are extended more and more and more in just the same way, for example, that by assimilating the minerals out of the soil and the rays out of the sunlight, a plant like a fern grows and grows and grows and extends its form. And in this way, its organization prevails. Now then, you see, if you take this task of what we call the conquest of nature, the task of making order victorious over chaos or randomness, if you take this seriously, you will look upon it as warfare.
This revolution will come at a breathtaking speed. It will be like a tsunami.
Like a tsunami in the fourth industrial revolution, you will own nothing, but you will be happy. That is an order.
And you will firmly believe that the most urgent thing that there possibly can be is to make order prevail over randomness, to make good prevail over evil, to make life prevail over death. And we find that when we are in a contest of this kind, a serious warfare game of this kind, and we take it seriously, we are involved in it in a very deep and bitter sense.
There is no purpose or meaning to find in life, so just exist and do nothing. Stop waking up early. Life is shit, so sleep through as much of it as possible.
So everything that exists is everything that exists. I am everything that exists. So are you. The more you realize that, the more you open up to the full infinity of who you are. Your life transformed. Your vision of yourself is transformed.
Playing soldiers with rifles made of wood, and riding bikes on dirt track roads felt so good. Oh, but time rolls on, and everything just keeps changing. Oh, time rolls on. One day you turn around and it's all gone.
And I see a whole army of my countrymen here in defiance of tyranny. You've come to fight as free men, and free men you are.
And because we've lost sight of the fact that we are everything, and what we are inside is what we externally create, we go round, because of the manipulation, we're like walking, talking movie projectors. Let me put it this way. Our inner self, our state of being, our attitudes are resonating us to a certain vibrational frequency. You change your attitudes, the frequency changes. Hate has a certain frequency, and when we feel hate, we resonate the energy around us, that is us, to the hate frequency. We feel love, we resonate it to a different frequency. This energy that we put out with this vibrational code within it, created by our thoughts and attitudes, then draws towards it a reflection of itself. Other energy fields, people, places, ways of life, experiences that sync with what we're putting out. Therefore, what we are in here, we externally create.
Time rolls on, and everything just keeps changing. Oh, time rolls on, and one day you turn around and it's all gone. It's all gone.